Meaning of griffin.
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 Griffin. A griffin is a mythical creature that has the body of a lion and the head and wings of an eagle. It is often depicted as a powerful and majestic creature with incredible strength and speed. In ancient mythology, the griffin was seen as a guardian of treasure and a symbol of divine power. The creature has since become a popular subject in art and literature, especially in fantasy and science fiction genres. Its dual nature as a fierce predator and a regal bird has inspired many to associate it with courage, wisdom, and nobility.